In this video, we're going to collect the technical requirements that you need to install WordPress. One of them is the WordPress code itself. The other is the technical data from your hosting company, which will usually come in the form of a welcome email that you receive from them when you first sign up. We'll start out by getting WordPress. So what you do is you just go to wordpress.org, as I've done here. You got your home page. And what we're looking for is the download button. There are two choices here on the home page. One is orange and very candy-like. The other one is this blue one. Either one will take you to the same place, which is the download page. So we'll click that. As you can see, WordPress 3.2.1 is the current released version as of when I'm recording this video. The version we're going to cover in this video is actually the upcoming release, WordPress 3.3, which is very nearly done, but not quite. That said, once it is done, WordPress 3.3 will be available from this page. If you're watching this video at a much later date, there may even be a newer version available. But for now, we will download WordPress 3.2.1 just by clicking this button. So that downloads, and now I will open my downloads folder. Use my show desktop command here on my Mac. Open up this folder. And here we have WordPress 3.2.1. As I say, we're going to cover WordPress 3.3, but just for the sake of showing you this, we will stick with this version. Because all we need to do right now is decompress this. On my Macintosh, if I just right-click this, I can open with the archive utility, which will open this and decompress it. And if you just open this up, you can see there's lots of code in there. Lovely. That's part one. Part two is the technical data from your hosting company. Usually this comes in the form of a welcome email. I have a sample here. So, as I say, this is just an example that's quite a bit shorter than what you will likely receive from a real hosting company, but this highlights the details that you will need to look for in such a letter. So first of all, you need all your connection data to actually get onto your server. So that's going to take the form of a username, a password, and a host name. Usually this is going to be something like yourdomain.com, perhaps ftp.yourdomain.com, or even username.hostingcompany.com, as I'm showing here. There's a variety of strategies that hosting companies will use, but it will be something along these lines. It might even be an IP address, just a series of numbers. They'll all do the same thing. Next is your database information. As you know, we need MySQL for WordPress, and most hosting companies provide MySQL, so you should be good to go here. You need the name of the database username and password, and then the host name. This will most of the time be localhost, especially in a shared hosting setup that is inexpensive hosting. It could be something else if you're using something like GoDaddy or another hosting company that provides different database servers from their web servers. But most of the time, you'll see this as a local host. And once you have all this stuff together and all the WordPress code, you are ready to start configuring WordPress and get it installed.